I would like to make a demo of the original method of Beth Israel to generate reports to the referring physician. The reports would include not only the text, but significant images plus an image of the rotating MIP. So I can use read from CD as my source of data, or I can go to this Read Authentic. In any case, I need to use Read Authentic because there has this report option. And this is what will be used. These are 3 buttons. This generates the JPEG for significant images. This generates this rotating MIP. And this generates both of these plus a significant image to the database, to the PACS. Okay. Now the first thing I have to do is define this location where I'm going to store these JPEG and GIF images. So I'll click on that. I want to use this significant. So I'll click on that, and it's changed to signif, what I've just defined. This has to be done once. Okay, now the next thing I'll do is bring up something to read. I bring up this study, and I'll pause it. Okay, the images have come up. I want to look at the little dots. Turn this on. There's my rotating image. And I want to look at some particular slice. I might just as well zoom this to make best use of the available territory. Okay. Now I can go to my report. And here the current study is defined, which I just brought up. And here I'll make a JPEG for the report. I click on this, and it's done. Now I'm going to go back to my original thing. I'll check a different slice. Okay, here I'll use, if it's for the referring physician, it would be nice to add some annotations to make his life a little bit easier. I can add some arrows to point to something. I can make a measurement here, here. I've got a measurement, something, whatever is interesting for the referring physician. Okay, now I want to include a significant image to the PACS. And somewhere, once upon a time, I defined in the options where the position of the significant image is. At the moment, I'm using the Authentic to store significant images because I don't have a PACS here. Presumably, hopefully you have something better. Okay, now I'm ready to go for it. Now I want to use this button, which will generate both a significant image, rotating MIP, plus a significant image to the PACS. So I'll click on this, one button, and it's done. Okay, and that's essentially what I need to do. Then when I'm generating my reports, these are the things I've just generated. These are my 2 significant images and the time they were generated. And this is my rotating GIF. So I have to basically cut and paste them into the report. Okay, the last thing I want to show is I don't actually have to have an Authentic setup. I could use this read from CD to read my data from there. But what I have to have, I have to at least set up a fake Authentic and use that. Okay, and that's essentially it.